My dear friends, as we move closer to 2026, I want you to pause for a moment and ask yourself a simple question. Am I living every day with intention, or am I merely passing through time? Because the truth is, years don't change your life, your habits do. We all hope that the next year will be better, brighter, more fulfilling, but hope alone is not a strategy. As I often say, you cannot plant the seeds of excuses and expect a harvest of success. If we want 2026 to be our year, then we must begin shaping it today with clarity, discipline, and the right habits that elevate our mind, strengthen our character, and align our actions with our purpose. Every day is filled with moments, some productive, some distracting, some inspiring, and some draining. But most people rush through their days without ever pausing to understand what truly happened within them. Ending your day with reflection is not about dwelling on mistakes or replaying regrets. It is about gently observing your journey so you can grow with awareness. When the world becomes quiet at night and the noise of responsibilities begins to fade, there is a small window where your mind becomes honest, open, and receptive. That is the moment to sit with yourself and evaluate not how perfect you were, but how intentional you were. Reflection is like holding a mirror to your inner world. It reveals patterns you didn't notice, choices you overlooked, and strengths you didn't realize you displayed. Some days you may feel you accomplished little, but when you look deeper, you'll notice the discipline you practiced, the patience you displayed, or the courage you exercised, even in small amounts. These are victories that often go uncelebrated because you're too busy focusing on what didn't go right. Many people make the mistake of measuring their days by their problems, thinking only about what stressed them, what went wrong, or what they didn't finish. But growth doesn't come from magnifying the negative. Growth comes from recognizing progress, even if it was small. When you train your mind to look for progress instead of problems, you rewire your perspective. You begin sleeping with gratitude instead of frustration. You wake up with purpose instead of pressure. And slowly, consistency builds confidence. Each day becomes part of a larger tapestry where small improvements accumulate into life-changing transformation. Reflection also teaches responsibility without self-blame. It allows you to ask, what could I have done better? What triggered me today? What made me happy? What drained me? What did I learn about myself? These questions gently guide you toward greater self-understanding. They help you make micro-adjustments that eventually create macro changes in your habits, mindset, and emotional strength. Over time, you begin to see that your life is shaped not by the intensity of your efforts, but by the awareness behind them. When you reflect daily, you stop living on autopilot and start living with clarity. You notice what deserves more of your time, what deserves less, and what no longer deserves any space at all. And this awareness becomes the foundation for a year where you evolve intentionally rather than accidentally. Reflection is one of the most underrated tools for personal growth because it forces you to look inward with honesty rather than distraction. Throughout the day, you interact with people, face challenges, make choices, and experience emotions that often pass by too quickly to fully understand. When you take a few quiet minutes at night to sit with yourself, you create space to process what your mind and heart went through. This daily habit becomes a gentle recalibration, a way of tuning your inner compass so that tomorrow becomes a little more intentional than today. People who don't reflect often repeat the same mistakes, react the same way, and fall into the same patterns because they never pause long enough to see what's happening beneath the surface. Reflection breaks that cycle by illuminating what usually remains hidden. When you measure your progress at the end of each day, you begin to recognize small victories that often get overshadowed by stress. Maybe you controlled your temper in a situation where you once would have reacted. Maybe you resisted a distraction. Maybe you took one small step toward a goal, even if it felt insignificant. These are not minor wins, they are proofs of growth. By acknowledging them, you reinforce the mindset that improvement is happening gradually, and this shift is powerful. It trains your brain to notice effort, not just outcomes. Many people dismiss their own progress because it doesn't look dramatic, but reflection helps you appreciate the subtle changes that eventually create powerful transformation. Reflection is also an opportunity to identify what drained your energy. Not to judge yourself, but to understand yourself. You might notice you got irritated more easily, or that a certain conversation made you anxious, or that you avoided a task because of fear or procrastination. These observations, when made without criticism, become insights. They reveal what needs to be addressed, improved, or released. They give you clarity on what triggers you, what strengthens you, and what weakens you. Without reflection, these patterns go unnoticed and continue shaping your decisions without your awareness. When you reflect, you cultivate emotional maturity. Instead of reacting blindly, you learn to respond with understanding. Instead of repeating negative habits, you recognize them early. Instead of blaming circumstances, you take ownership of your choices. And in doing so, you begin to build a foundation for personal growth that is consistent, thoughtful, and aligned with your purpose. Reflection becomes deeply transformative when you begin noticing not only what happened during your day, but also how it affected your inner world. Many people end their day feeling overwhelmed, frustrated, or drained without understanding why. They carry unresolved emotions into their sleep and wake up already burdened. But when you reflect intentionally, you create a space where thoughts can settle and emotions can breathe. You begin to identify the small triggers that shaped your mood, the unnoticed moments that brought you joy, and the choices that pulled you away from your goals. This kind of awareness is powerful because it turns your day into a teacher. Every interaction, every challenge, every success becomes a lesson that helps you understand yourself more clearly. One of the most important parts of reflection is observing your own behavior. Did something make you impatient? Did a situation bring out your insecurity? Did fear stop you from taking action? Instead of ignoring these moments, reflection brings them to the surface so you can grow from them. We often think our reactions are automatic, but they're actually habits that can be reshaped. Reflection helps you recognize when you acted out of impulse instead of intention. It shows you where your emotional boundaries need strengthening, where your discipline slipped, or where your confidence wavered. These insights don't make you weak, they make you wiser. By seeing yourself honestly, you gain the power to refine your habits one day at a time. Reflection also clarifies what is truly meaningful to you. When you look back on your day, you begin to notice which ions aligned with your purpose and which were simply distractions. You start understanding what added value to your life and what drained your energy without contributing anything positive. This clarity allows you to adjust your focus. Maybe you realize that a certain routine energizes you. Maybe you discover that a specific environment makes you more productive. Or maybe you see that you're spending time on things that don't reflect your priorities. Reflection gently guides you toward living in alignment with the person you want to become. Through this practice, your evenings become a place of recalibration rather than regret. You stop judging yourself for what you didn't do and start learning from it instead. You become more mindful, more intentional, and more aware of how your choices shape your journey. Over time, reflection transforms your mindset from reactive to responsive, from confused to clear, from scattered to centered. Reflection is a powerful habit because it allows you to pause long enough to truly see the direction your life is moving in. At the end of the day, when distractions settle and responsibilities quiet down, you finally have the mental space to observe your actions with clarity. One of the most valuable things you can do during this time is evaluate how you invested your attention. Did you pour your energy into things that brought growth, or did you scatter it across small distractions that added nothing to your goals? Many people underestimate the impact of attention, yet it is one of the most limited resources we have. Where your attention goes, your life goes. Reflection helps you reclaim it. When you take time to reflect, you begin recognizing which moments truly mattered. You might notice that the hour you spent learning something new felt meaningful, while the time you lost scrolling left you feeling empty. You might see that in gag. Being in a conversation expanded your perspective, while certain interactions drained you emotionally. These small realizations begin shaping your awareness. You start to understand what enriches your mind and what clutters it. You become more conscious of which habits nourish your future and which habits steal your potential in silent, unnoticed ways. Without reflection, it is easy to drift into patterns that feel comfortable but lead nowhere. Reflection also allows you to connect your daily actions to the bigger picture. Every dream you have for 2026 is built on daily choices. But if you never pause to evaluate those choices, you might wake up months later wondering why nothing has changed. By reviewing your efforts each day, you begin to see whether your actions aligned with your goals or contradicted them. Maybe you planned to learn for an hour but only managed 15 minutes. That is still progress. Reflection helps you acknowledge it without judgment and plan how to improve tomorrow. It turns your growth into a continuous cycle of learning rather than a struggle of perfection. Another important part of reflection is noticing the habits that shaped your mindset throughout the day. Were you focused? Were you easily distracted? Did you invest time in something that helped you evolve? Understanding these patterns creates self-awareness, and self-awareness naturally leads to better decision-making. When you reflect regularly, you stop living by impulse and start living by intention. Your choices become sharper, your priorities become clearer, and your daily actions start aligning with the person you want to become. Reflection becomes especially meaningful when you focus on how you responded emotionally throughout the day. Emotional fitness is not built in moments of calm. It is built in moments where you were challenged, annoyed, tested, or tempted to react impulse. Lively. When you sit quietly at the end of the day and replay these moments, you start seeing your emotional patterns with a level of clarity that isn't possible while everything is happening. You begin understanding not just what you felt, but why you felt it. This awareness is the foundation of emotional strength. Without reflection, emotions stay tangled and unprocessed. With reflection, they become lessons. As you examine your day, you might notice where you reacted instead of responding thoughtfully. Maybe you raised your voice when patience would have served better. Maybe you withdrew when courage was needed. Maybe you allowed someone else's negativity to shape your mood. Reflection doesn't ask you to blame yourself for these moments, it simply asks you to observe them with honesty. When you do, patterns emerge. You begin to recognize which situations trigger you, which conversations drain you, and which habits help you stay centered. Emotional fitness grows from this understanding. It teaches you how to manage your reactions instead of being controlled by them. Reflection also highlights the moments where you stayed calm, composed, and thoughtful, even if those moments were small. Perhaps you handled a stressful situation with grace. Perhaps you chose silence instead of unnecessary conflict. Perhaps you took a deep breath before responding. These are signs of emotional progress, and acknowledging them reinforces healthier emotional habits. When you recognize your improvements, your mind becomes more confident in your ability to handle challenges. This quiet confidence is what allows emotional resilience to develop over time. Another powerful aspect of reflection is recognizing the emotional boundaries you respected or ignored. Did you take on responsibilities that weren't yours? Did you say yes when you wanted to say no? Did you allow someone's opinion to shape confidence? Reflection gives you the clarity to understand where your emotional boundaries are weak and where they need strengthening. It helps you see what kind of behavior you accept from yourself and others. This awareness becomes guidance for the next day, helping you show up with stronger emotional clarity and self-respect. By reflecting consistently, you begin training your mind to respond with intention rather than reacting out of habit. You become more patient, more observant, and more in control of your inner world. The challenges you face during the day stop feeling like failures and start becoming opportunities to shape a stronger, wiser version of yourself. Reflection deepens its impact when you begin to measure your day not by what went wrong, but by what moved you forward, no matter how small that movement may be. Many people end their day replaying mistakes, failures, and moments of discomfort. They magnify the negatives until the entire day feels wasted. But growth requires a different lens. When you choose to measure progress instead of problems, your mindset shifts from self-criticism to self-awareness. You begin to see that improvement is often subtle, hidden in small choices, quiet efforts, and unnoticed acts of discipline. Progress rarely appears dramatic in the moment, but reflection helps you appreciate its steady presence in your life. At the end of the day, ask yourself, what did I do today that I couldn't do yesterday? Maybe you practiced a little more patience. Maybe you focused longer than usual. Maybe you resisted a habit that once controlled you. These are not small things. These are the building blocks of transformation. When you reflect on progress, you train your mind to recognize growth even in imperfection. This mindset keeps you motivated, consistent, and hopeful. It reminds you that success is not about perfection. It is about becoming slightly better than who you were yesterday. Measuring progress also helps you build trust in yourself. When you acknowledge the effort you put in, you reinforce the belief that you are capable of change. Many people lose confidence, not because they lack ability, but because they never recognize their own development. They overlook their efforts and only focus on their shortcomings. Reflection changes that. It shifts your attention from what is missing to what is evolving. This shift is powerful. It builds emotional resilience by helping you see that even on difficult days you are still moving forward. Reflection is also a tool for identifying patterns of progress. You begin to notice which habits are consistently helping you grow and which habits need adjusting. Maybe your morning routine keeps you centered. Maybe a certain activity increases your productivity. Maybe a specific mindset keeps you calm. By recognizing these patterns, you can strengthen what works and change what doesn't. Progress becomes something you can intentionally design rather than something you just hope for. When you measure progress instead of problems, your evenings become a source of encouragement rather than discouragement. You go to sleep with gratitude instead of guilt. You wake up with motivation instead of dread. And this emotional shift creates a foundation where transformation becomes sustainable, steady, and deeply rooted in self-awareness. So as we stand at the threshold of 2026, imagine that year as a blank canvas, pure, waiting for the brushstrokes of your actions. If you begin today, building new habits, strengthening your inner world, and reflecting each night, then 2026 can become the year you always dreamed of. I want you to carry forward these 6 habits not because someone asked you to, but because you owe it to the person you are becoming. Let the small choices, repeated daily with intention, add up. Let them mold your character, fuel your dreams, and light up your path.